Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sauce token. Name of the token is Saucerswap, ticker symbol is Sauce. This token is about to get a brand new central exchange listing. Actually today, looks like there is an event going on today. Let me scroll down here. Trading actually just opened today, so it's already listed on this central exchange here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Saucerswap. So like I said, ticker symbol is Sauce. Trading open today, September 25th. At noon. Actually, I might upload this video on the 22nd, so if I do, it got listed yesterday on the 21st, 12 o'clock UTC time. So if you want to get this token, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is if you don't have an MEXC global account, first of all, you can use my MEXC referral code down there in the description box if you like. You would just go right through that MEXC referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Sauce, and then you'd simply just buy the token. So you can find it in the innovation zone, in the spot trading zone there. And yeah, if you want to find their Twitter, it is at Saucerswap Labs. So Saucerswap is the pioneering DEX on Hedera. And Hedera has been taken off. I see Hedera getting a lot more exchange listings as well. Saucerswap just joined on Twitter basically in February 2022. They have 836 tweets, so very active on Twitter. And they already have 14,800 followers on Twitter. If you want to find their official webpage, you would just go over to saucerswap.finance. So first there's a terms and condition page that pops up, and you have to accept the terms and condition in order to use Saucerswap. Basically it's a swap, just like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, where you can connect your wallet. There's bridging, farming, swapping, liquidity, portfolio stuff here. If you want to find information, there's all sorts of different socials listed on here. They have a Discord, Reddit, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook. They have a DEX simulator if you want to try like a simulation of the swap before you use it. They even have analytics, and they have a section here that says docs and help. So if you click on that, that'll take you over to their white paper where you can find information, and that is at docs.saucerswap.finance. So it says, Saucerswap is a fork of Uniswap v2 that leverages the Hedera Smart Contract Service, the HSCS, to include Solidity Smart Contract integration with the Hedera Token Service, HTS. These smart contracts implement an automated market maker protocol which facilitates token swaps within decentralized liquidity pools. Saucerswap serves as both an onboarding ramp for HTS projects and endpoint for bridged liquidity, offering a full suite of DeFi services, including but not limited to a swap, liquidity, farm, single-sided staking, community pools, and bridging. Now you can click on each one of those to learn more about each one of those, but I mean, they're kind of like basic crypto stuff. If you've been around using decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, I mean, that's pretty basic to you, but if you want to learn more about those, just go to their white paper and read about it. Saucerswap strives to demonstrate DeFi by restructuring its governance model after a decentralized autonomous organization. The DAO treasury will retain value on the protocol and fund development of community-voted features. Saucerswap is supported by the HBAR Foundation, who will be dispersing 20 million HBAR to crop circles as liquidity mining incentives. 10 million HBAR per month, so 1 to 2, 6 million HBAR, yada yada, and it goes over a whole bunch of those things. So anyways, collaborators. Collaborators include Hashpack, Stater, Headstarter, Galaxy, TuneFM, and Hashport. Saucerswap is the founding member of the Hedera DeFi Alliance. So they have audits. It says Saucerswap's core farm and vesting contracts have been audited by Hacken, each of which is scoring a 10 out of 10 on security, with the average score being 9.7 out of 10. So lots of cool stuff on here. So it's got a little information about team members, links to some of their socials that you could check out, Twitter and Telegrams if you want to learn about the team members. They have a roadmap on here. So starting with single-sided staking, community pools, front-end bridge integration, expand back-end, upgrade analytics, integrate DEX on data aggregators, add support for additional wallets, collaborate on in-wallet swap, central exchange listings, and then we got DAO-based governance, limit orders, expert mode, auto compounder, native staking, farm v2, alien avatars, NFT staking. So they're going to have their own NFT collection called Alien Avatars, and you'll be able to stake them, so that's cool. So those are all the things that is coming up in the future here and what they're working on now. What they've already completed is initial market research and analysis, framework and website, draft tokenomics, draft website copy, front-end setup, back-end setup, server deployment on AWS, server HTTPS, and NGINX configurations, team recruitment and compensation breakdown, assemble team for social media outreach, launch of Twitter campaign, Saucerswap branding and art assets, website design and art, finalize NFT perks, website completion, client server integration, internal security review, website release, wallet-based authentication, Hash Connect integration, server profile or social profiles, NFT sales begin, host bi-weekly AMAs. So they have Ask Me Anythings that you could check out. Introduce the team behind the project, publish NFTs, Faucet bot, deploy testnet, Uniswap v2 core, implement swap functionalities, pairing functionality, router functionality, set up unit tests, analyze UI, UX, design the following web pages. They got a whole bunch of those. Implement backend. This is very extensive here. Public launch, whitelist event, all these things. Check this all out on docs.saucerswap.finance. And yeah, you can find this token listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there as well. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there.